Alright guys, so welcome back. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate that. So if you tell by the title of this video, it is going over how much should you charge for side work if you suppose you ever run into that situation. And it really just depends on what you're willing to work for. Know your worth, I guess. Most people charge, I mean, you can charge going rate. Maybe it depends on your area. People in my area say that most electricians charge $100 an hour or even more than that, and like maybe $100 just to like come out and look at the situation. So if you give anything less than $100 an hour, you're already giving your friends or whoever you're helping out a good deal. So if you make $50 an hour, or if you want to charge $75 an hour, they're already getting a good deal. So don't feel bad about charging people even more money than you make regularly. Even if you make your normal wage, say $50 an hour, you're still coming out ahead because you're not going to be paying taxes on that and stuff like that. So yeah, basically just whatever you're willing to work for. But I would say at least your hourly wage, if not more. I would say $75 an hour minimum. And just to be clear, if you do not tell people up front what you're willing to or what you're working for, they're just going to assume it's going to be like $25 an hour, maybe 40 or 50, you know. So be very specific before taking on a job for a friend or whoever. Just tell them what the price is going to be before you start, because like I said, if you don't, they're just going to just assume whatever is fine or literally pay you nothing. So yeah, just be upfront. And if they don't want to pay your if they don't want to pay whatever you want, $50, $75 an hour, then it's not going to be a big deal if you don't get the job, because then you won't be working for that much money. And like for me personally, it's basically like I don't need to do a side work or anything like that. I have like enough work on my own at my job or anything like that, so I don't need to take on any extra work. Like I don't want to work extra, but if someone needs help or something, it's more just for helping them out or something like that. So if you charge too much or whatnot and they don't want you, then good luck for them to find something else cheaper than that. It might be hard, and you'd probably be cheaper than anyone else anyways. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out other videos I have. Hopefully this helped you out. Check the description for anything else. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Help out the channel, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.